The managing director of a company who landed a helicopter at the Ipoh Padang to pick up orders of the famous Nasi Ganja was charged in the Ipoh Magistrates Court today with violating civil aviation regulations. Muhammad Raffe K. Cekku, 53, pleaded not guilty to the charge. Raffe, who has a Datuk title, failed to comply with the submitted flight plan. He allegedly landed the Bell 505 aircraft at the field and not the aerodrome as specified in the flight plan. Raffe faces a maximum fine of 50,000 ringgit or imprisonment for up to 3 years, or both, if found guilty.